Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, show that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 equal to tan square a. Okay, so this is the left hand side part, this is the right hand side part. Okay, first consider the LHS part. So LHS, it is given that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. So it equal to 1 minus tan square a by, so here cot square a, we know that cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, here cot square a can be written as 1 by tan square a. Okay, so in place of cot square a we are writing 1 by tan square a. So cot square a minus 1, that means 1 by tan square a minus 1. So this tan square a gets multiplied with 1 and becomes as 1 minus tan square a by tan square a. Okay, so now write numerator becomes 1 minus tan square a by, so this 1 by tan square a minus 1, that means this tan square a gets multiplied with 1, becomes as 1 minus tan square a by tan square a. Okay, so this tan square a gets multiplied with the numerator, that means 1 minus tan square a into tan square a by denominator is 1 minus tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a, so both are same, that means both get cancelled, equal to tan square a. So tan square a, that means this is the required RHS. Okay, so LHS equal to, we have obtained RHS. Okay, so hence proved. So this is the required answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. Okay, so first consider the left hand side part. Okay, LHS, it is given that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So this cos theta gets multiplied with cos theta, that means becomes just cos square theta. So it can be written as 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Okay, so we know that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, so from this, if this plus cos square theta goes to the right side, becomes as minus cos square theta. So sin square theta equal to, we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we can write it as sin square theta. So it becomes as sin square theta by cos theta. Okay, so in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we have written sin square theta. So this sin square theta, it can be written as sin theta into sin theta. Okay, so sin theta into sin theta by sin square theta, it is written as sin theta into sin theta by cos theta here. So we know that sin theta by cos theta, it is tan theta into sin theta. Okay, so tan theta into sin theta, this is the required RHS. Okay, so LHS equal to, we have obtained the RHS, so therefore hence proof. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, simplify sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. Okay, so first write the given question here, sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. Okay, so this is the given question. So let us simplify it. Okay, so sec a, we can write it as 1 by cos a. Okay, since sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, we can write this sec theta as 1 by cos theta. That means sec a, in place of sec a we are writing as 1 by cos a into 1 minus sin a. So into, again this sec theta, it can be written as 1 by cos a. Okay, so 1 by cos a plus this tan theta, in place of tan theta we can write it as sin theta by cos theta. So here in place of tan a we can write it as sin a by cos a. Okay, so equal to 1 by cos a into 1 minus sin a. So into, so here 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a, that means both the terms consisting of cos a as the same denominator. So we can take cos a to be the common denominator. So denominator becomes as cos a, then numerator can be written as 1 plus sin a. Okay, so now 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a. Okay, so 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a, by denominator is cos a into cos a, that means cos square a. Okay, so numerator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So we know that form a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, so here 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a, that means here 1 is the a term and sin a is the b term, that means a plus b into a minus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, so that means 1 square minus sin square a by cos square a. Okay, 1 square, that means value is 1. Okay, 1 square will be written as 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. Okay, so since we have some trigonometry identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So from this, so if this sin square theta goes to the right side, it becomes as minus sin square theta. Then cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so in place of 1 minus sin square a, we can write it as cos square a. Okay, so numerator becomes as cos square a. By denominator is again same, cos square a. So numerator and denominator both are same, that means both get cancelled. So its value equal to 1. So this is the answer.